Can we get your response on the criticisms over your question last night in Miss World on whether a woman with young kids should run for president if it had meant sacrificing time for her family? Some netizens say that the question was misogynistic and out of place in a contest meant to empower women. What was your aim in asking that question? How would you answer it yourself? Similar question with Ace Romero.
OA po yun, na misogynistic yun. That's a valid question. If you disagree, you're entitled to your opinion. Mag-judge din kayo.
From Creseling Katarong ng SMNI, tuloy na ba next week ang pag-uumpisa ng vaccination sa minors? Ano po pong mga paghahanda ang ginagawa ng national government at kumusta ang inyong coordination with the LGU para sa implementasyon nito?
Already answered na po yan. Tuloy na po yan, no? Already answered na po yan many times. Next question, please.
Trish Terada ng CNN Philippines, for Secretary Galvez, when does the government intend to allow the local sale and distribution of Pfizer by the private sector? Hindi po kaya mas makakatulong sa vaccination rollout ito?
Hindi pa nag-apply po yung Pfizer po dito sa atin ng CPR. So ano pa rin po, EUA pa rin po yun. At saka ang intention pa rin po nila, even sa second wave, is basically to supply the government demand and requirements.